Do essential oils work on acne scars, spots, dark spots, and pigmentation? The answer is yes and no. Let me explain. If you are a teenager and started having acne recently, you can use essential oils. But if you are in your 20s or your 30s, then essential oil will not help you with your skin concerns. Hello, beauties! Welcome to my channel. I am Hiya. As we are growing older, our skin is becoming mature with us. So, using only essential oils cannot cure any skin problems. You have to use active ingredients according to your skin type and concern. Oily acne prone skin. For oily acne prone skin like me, you can use salicylic acid, vitamin C, kojic acid, glycolic acid, benzoyl peroxide, alpha arbutin, and so much more. Dry acne prone skin. For dry acne prone skin, you can use hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, peptides, ceramides, scopolamine, glycerins, and so much more. Sensitive acne prone skin. People with sensitive skin should not use more than 2 active ingredients at the same time, and those two can be hyaluronic acid, ceramides, vitamin B5, and glycerin. Don't use salicylic acid, kojic acid, glycolic acid, vitamin C in your skincare routine. But people with sensitive skin should definitely consult their dermatologist before starting out any active ingredients. I hope this video will be helpful for my beauties. Don't forget to subscribe for more such tips, ideas and recommendations. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to take care of your skin. Thank you so much for watching. Tada!